How you doing, everybody? Real quick video here. Took this handle as far as I could last night with the knife. It's fairly smooth and pretty much the shape. I'm going to use some sandpaper to finish this up for the sole purpose of bringing out that grain, that beautiful grain that's on here a little bit better. The knife marks really detract from that grain, and I wanted that to kind of shine on this. But that's where we're at now. This is part 2 of the knife handle for the hatchet. I'm going to do the butt plate still, and then I'll do some ferric chloride, which is used for etching copper plates, but I'm going to use it to darken this wood or this metal on the hatchet on the sides, and then grind it off and shine up these outer edges. So that's where we're at with this. This is part 2. Please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share the video. I'd like to try to hit 700 subscribers before the knife show. And remember, that's November 16th, Ellaville, Georgia, sponsored by and hosted by The Knife Doctor. I'm going to be selling some items, and I got several items to do for a giveaway. And if I hit 700 subscribers, I'm going to add to that giveaway stash that I have going. So again, like, subscribe, notification bell, share the video, and above and beyond all, have a beautiful day.